PREMO Collaborative robots brings flexible automation to welding production lines, interacting hand in hand with humans, and adding value to your business. Our Cobots are safe for welders. The worker can manually move the arm and program the path to weld the component without danger. Their simple programming can be a big time saver, reducing time that could allow the worker to do another task. They are easy to relocate as production needs change in the fab shop to help supplement manual labor. PREMO Collaborative robots improve the performance of your welding application by providing excellent accuracy, efficiency, and simple redeployment, reducing production downtime and improving the ROI. Less wasted material and an incredible versatility on your production line are among the key advantages of welding applications using PREMO Collaborative robots.